Hello, fellow marketers. Are you ready to witness the future of affiliate marketing? Buckle up, because we're about to introduce you to a game-changing solution that's going to revolutionize the way you approach affiliate campaigns. Welcome to our video on Super Affiliate AI's Done For You campaigns. I'm Mr. Knockham, and in the next 60 seconds, we'll unveil how AI is turning the tables in your favor. Before we dive into the magic, hit that subscribe button and hit the bell icon to stay updated on more groundbreaking strategies. Let's dive right in. Imagine having an AI partner that not only streamlines your affiliate campaigns but also catapults your success. With Super Affiliate AI's Done For You campaigns, you're in for a treat. This cutting-edge technology doesn't just automate tasks, it's your secret weapon for exponential growth. It identifies top-performing products, crafts high-converting ads, and optimizes your campaigns like clockwork. Say goodbye to the guesswork and hello to results that speak for themselves. Ready to unlock the true power of affiliate marketing? Don't miss out on Super Affiliate AI's Done For You campaigns. Visit the link in the description to supercharge your affiliate journey. If you're as excited about this breakthrough as we are, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your fellow marketers. Stay tuned for more insights, strategies, and tools that are reshaping the affiliate landscape. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Happy affiliating!